Hey everyone, Dan with MacRumors, and in this video we're going to compare the new Samsung Galaxy Buds to Apple's AirPods. The Galaxy Buds were announced alongside the S10 lineup last month, and they have a feature set that brings them more in line with the AirPods. Though there are some similarities, there are also differences that distinguish the Galaxy Buds from the AirPods, mostly when it comes to the design of the case and the headphones themselves. The Galaxy Buds have a pillbox style charging case with a nice matte finish all around. Now we have the white model here, but the Galaxy Buds are also available in yellow and black too. The case has a USB-C charging port on the back, and then there's an LED charging indicator on the front, along with some Samsung branding on the top of the lid. It's a pretty clean design. AirPods have no branding, a pairing/reset button on the back, and a lightning charging port at the bottom of the infamous case that gets mocked for resembling a container of dental floss. Either way, both cases are unique and, most importantly, very portable. Both cases hold the headphones in place magnetically, but the AirPods case has a much stronger grip on each headphone. I can shake this thing pretty hard, and there's no chance of an AirPod coming out. That's not quite the same deal with Galaxy Buds, so just be sure to keep that in mind. When you flip open each case, you'll notice the drastic design difference in headphones as well. The AirPods are long and skinny, while the Galaxy Buds are short and fat. The Galaxy Buds are meant to go a bit further in your ear as opposed to AirPods, which sort of rest gently towards the bottom. Ultimately, my preference in headphone design is pointless because everybody's ears are different. While I can get the Galaxy Buds to fit comfortably inside of my ear, I feel like they're still not quite all the way in there. This affects sound quality more than it does actual fit. I don't at any point feel that the Galaxy Buds are going to fall out of my ears, but when I'm listening to music, the volume and low end feel a bit distant. With AirPods, the sound and comfort has always been there for me since the wired earpod days. So comfort and sound quality are two categories that are tough for me to heavily weigh in on since I don't think I'm entirely getting the most out of the Galaxy Buds. I can tell the sound profile is there with pretty good separation in lows and highs that help bring out each instrument to the forefront. I wish I could hear a bit more low end at times with having to crank the volume up to 100%. With that said, the Galaxy Buds offer up a ton of features that you won't quite get on AirPods. Inside of the Galaxy Wear app, you can see each earbud's battery level and adjust the equalizer to a few different presets. I use the bass boost to make up for that awkward fit in my ear that's reducing low end. You can choose which app notifications will be read to you and adjust what each touchpad on either left or right earbud can do. Both earbuds can play pause with a single tap, play next track or answer/end a call with a double tap, and then play a previous track with a triple tap, as well as a tap and hold can either access voice assistant, quick ambient sound, or adjust volume up or down. You can customize the tap and hold setting for each earbud, but if you choose volume up for one, the other will auto-select volume down. The touch area on the Galaxy Buds compared to AirPods is massive and much easier to carry out these tap functions than on AirPods. I've been an avid AirPods user for a few years now, and I still can't get the tap features to work on command. The problem with the tap area being so large on the Galaxy Buds is that I'm more prone to accidental taps or tap and holds, which means I'm either blowing out my eardrum from a volume increase or Google Assistant is being activated, and it's a bit annoying. I'd still take the larger tap area so I can actually use these tap area features over something too small like on the AirPods where I can't get it to work at all. I could lock the touchpad in the app, but then I can't skip or pause or do anything at all. Ambient sound is available for the Galaxy Buds, but I've yet to really notice a difference when it's turned on. I can still comfortably hear the surroundings around me, and turning on ambient sound doesn't amplify my surroundings any more than I thought it would. We could chalk this up to a poor fit in my ear, but I'm not totally sure. There's also a Find My Buds feature, much like Find My AirPods, which can play a sound to help you locate your lost earbuds, but it only works if they are on and connected to a phone. If your buds are in the case and off, it will not be available at all, and it's not nearly as useful as Find My AirPods, which can help you find your last tracked location. One of the best parts about AirPods for most people is the ability to take an AirPod out of your ear, and your music will automatically stop playing and resume once the AirPod is inserted back into your ear. This is a feature that is not available on the Galaxy Buds. The other super useful feature from AirPods is the W1 chip and its one-tap pairing and seamless integration with other Apple devices. The Galaxy Buds offer something similar for Samsung users. When you open the case up with the Galaxy Buds inside near a Samsung device, you will see a pop-up to pair your Galaxy Buds to your phone quickly and easily. This looks nearly identical to Apple's Quick Pair notification, and when your device is already paired to your headphones, you can get a similar battery level notification like you would with AirPods paired to an iPhone. If you have another Galaxy device around, your earbuds are also already paired with that device. All you need to do is go into the Galaxy app and tap Connect, just like you would with AirPods on a different iOS device. During my limited testing, I haven't noticed any issues with this feature. It works as advertised and relatively similar to AirPods. Unfortunately, this is not as seamless with other Android devices. You can download the Wear app and still one tap to connect, but you won't have the quick pairing options or the battery level notification. Both devices can also work cross-platform, but they are reduced to nothing more than regular Bluetooth headphones. Let's be honest, you're probably not going to buy Galaxy Buds for your iPhone or vice versa. And if you're considering that, don't. The Galaxy Buds are the new AirPods for Android. They are some of the best in their class, but that also applies to AirPods. For me personally, I like the sound and the fit of AirPods, but that's not to take anything away from what Samsung has done at all. Samsung has beaten Apple to the punch on a few features, most notably the ability to charge your case and Galaxy Buds wirelessly, a feature that's rumored for AirPods too. If you want to take things one step further, you can also use the wireless power share feature to charge the Galaxy Buds using your S10 smartphone. In our S10 comparison video, I called that feature a party trick, but that's because I didn't have any useful accessories to take advantage of wireless power share. But now that I do, I see that it is a useful feature. The Galaxy Buds certainly have their place, and that's in the Android world, more specifically if you're a heavy Samsung user. Right now, there's no point for a heavy Apple user to pick these up unless they are the only earbuds that fit your ear comfortably and you really want truly wireless headphones. So go ahead and let us know your thoughts on the Galaxy Buds in the comments section down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.